Hi students, today I am going to explain you programs based on string manipulation. Okay, in that we are going to perform two programs. One is search a given character in an array and second one is find and replace a character in a string using 8086. To search a character in an array or find and replace that character. Okay, so first is finding a character in an array. That means we will provide one input character and we are going to search whether that character is available in the array or not. Okay, so here move di 1300. Okay, so here in this case, as I told you, destination is pointed by the destination register, source is pointed by the source register. In this case, we are going to give one string as an input, that is our source. Our destination is where your series of numbers are stored. Okay, destination, our series of numbers are stored. Okay, for example, move di 1200. In this, these numbers are stored. How many numbers? 5 numbers are stored in 1200 to 1204. So we have to make the count as 5. So we have to make the count as 5. Okay. So this is move DI 1200, move SI 1400, move CX 005, clear direction flag. So here counter is 0. So this SI is for storing the character we have searched. So we are going to search a character and that character is stored in the memory location 1400. How many array? Array is 05. Clear direction flag, that means we are going to search from 1200 to 1204. So move AL08. So we are going to we have pushed 08 into AL register. This is our input character. We are going to search whether this character is available in this series of numbers. So we are going to see in the ascending order because we have cleared the direction flags. We are going to check from 1200 to 1204. Okay, this instruction is repeat not equal. You are going to repeat till you are not getting the exactly matching character. So here the 08, we are going to repeat the operation till you are getting whether this 08 and character in this array is matching. Okay. So first first character we are taking 08, repeat. So first 08 we are taking, we are comparing it with the first number 07. So initially your DA is pointing 1200. So when you have taken this number, DA will start pointing 1201. 08 is compared with the 07. So both are not matching. Repeat not equal. These two are not equal. So we are going to repeat. Now we are going to take the second number. That time DA will point to 1202. So we are going to compare 08 with 02. If here also both are not matching. So we'll take the next location 08. So 08 is compared with the 08. Both are matching now. So this condition is, this will repeat, repetition will take place till they are not equal. Now they are equal. So this you will come out of this instruction. So decrement DI. So why you are doing decrement DI? So whenever you are searching this number, DI will point the next location. When you are comparing with this number, DI will point this location. So when you are comparing with 08 with 08, your DI will be pointing 1203. But our correct answer is there at 1202. So we are doing the decrement DI operation. Okay. So after decrement, what is the value in DA register? What is the value DA register? What is the value of DA register? DA register is 1202. So the content of DA register, what is the content of DA? That is 08. That is moved to the DL register. From DL, that result is stored in SI register. What is the location of SI? SI it is 1400. So the content BL, that is BL, that is 08 is stored in the memory location 1400. Clear? Okay, thank you. So second program, in the same this one, in this program we have find out the whether searching character is available or not in the string. Next program, what we are doing is we are going to replace a string. Whatever the character we have found, and we are going to replace that character. So similar way, move DA is 1300 or 1200, anything you can keep. So previous case we have taken 1200. So here also we will take 1200. So result we are going to store in 1400. Move CX 06. So we have taken 5 characters. So we will change it to 5. Clear direction flag. That means we are going to search from 1200 to 1204. So once again we have given the character 08. Okay, the same character we are going to search whether 08 is there or not in our array. Next, move BH 11. So this one more location we have allotted BH. In that whatever 08 we got, that we are going to replace it with the 11. So we will find out 08, and in that memory location we are going to replace it with 11. So we will see how this is replacing. So this once again repeat, not equal, first memory location 08 is compared with 07, both are not equal. So next 08 is compared with 02, both are not equal. Once again it will repeat, 08 is compared with 08, both are equal. Now we have to replace this 08 with the 11. So for that what we have written is, see, repeat not equal, scan, SCA is nothing but scan source byte. Till not equal we are going to scan the source byte. So once again the previous program we are doing decrement DI, then content of DI, that is 08 is moved to the BL. Okay, so the content of BL is moved to the DI. Okay, the DI is moved to the what is the value of content? DI is 08, that is moved to DL, and the 08 is moved to DI, and content of BH is moved to the DI. So in DI what happened, BH what value we have? We have 11, that is moved to the DI. So what DI is pointing? DI previous value was 08, now DI we have 11. Okay, the 08 is moved to the BL. Okay, the content of BL is moved to the DI, and BH is moved to the DI. That means the original value of DI is moved to the BL register and BH is moved to the DX register. Okay, so this is the program, so that we will find out the value 08 and we are going to replace this 08 with the DI. Okay, thank you.